Yes, hello, good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend for tell a friend. Alright? Please like, share, and subscribe. Heal up all the cheekle them and bless up all the meekle them. You see me? R.I.P. to my brethren Maroon. Cause man on a party pan around here. You see it? I definitely know the works and how it go. Yeah, man. Like up the video, man, and share them up, man. Yeah, man? You see it? Alright. Today, I'm here again to attack the Jamaican corrupted government. Once again. I am watching the Jamaican news abroad and I noticed that them have a clippings with the news stating that there is a illegal plane that entered the Jamaica airspace and happened to land on the Jamaican soil without a manifesto for the Jamaican government to clear them to land. Upon landing, when the government approached the plane, they found out there was 218 passengers that was aboard the plane. Okay? Keep up with me, all right? 218 passengers in our plane, right? That register in Germany. In Germany, right? That left from India to Dubai, right? To Uzbekistan. Now, when you think about the situation and all of these countries that the plane landing, it make you start to wonder like who's the people these plane went to go pick up, and why is it so important that it's been a secret and it's been kept a secret from the Jamaican public. This is right now is the time for we know everything that's going on, because don't think we're gonna hush up and keep our mouth quiet about this. About a year ago or 2 years ago, when I have a plane crash landed in a Clarendon. Up to now, we still can't find the pilot them, right? And only in Jamaica these things happen. So all of the money we not take from IMF, we not take it to invest, right? Border patrol for our waters, right? And our airspace. So therefore, anybody can just drive a boat from any country into Jamaica or a plane and land it in a Jamaica. If that's not corruption, I don't know what it is. All right? All right. Now, we have 218 people land in a Jamaica. Like I say, the plane is from Germany, got chartered by some people from India because it left from India to Dubai, to Uzbekistan, then to Jamaica. So, the plane are register, in a manifesto. These people come to Jamaica, then on put them up in a 4-star hotel downtown Kingston. Right? Them supposed to be under heavily guard, police guard. Little did anybody know that wasn't going to be the situation, because numerous people see these people walking around downtown Kingston, buying stuff, interacting with the citizens of Jamaica. I'm not saying something is wrong with that, but how did them get that clearance there for them come out of the hotel and can go walk up and down without being cleared so them are free to roam around? You know what I say? How? You don't know if these people are criminal them a unibomber, suicide bomber. You don't know what kind of weight them there because Uzbekistan. You don't know who these people are. And if you do know who these people are, my guess is these people are some Zionist people who have a lot of money. So the Prime Minister don't get free money already for the plain land in a Jamaica. Him and him constituency don't get the money already for the plain land in a Jamaica. So there's somebody them hide where them don't want the world to know. This is why them claims that the plane have no manifesto, because there's no way a plane can land in our country without no manifesto to declare them so them can land. So them can know who is on the plane, how much people is on the plane, because the plane will be shut down. In any other country it will be shut down. You think we as Jamaican could have get up and just jump on a plane and say we are flying to India? No. Without proper papers, no, they don't even permit we for land, they would have shut we down. Uzbekistan are the same thing. And Dubai is the same thing. So why the Jamaican government feel like them can take the Jamaican citizens for fool? Like Jamaican people them not in a sense. Eh? We know say we get paid for the plane the land. So we want to know who we bring in the country and who want to bring in on the plane. Because we are not fool. We know say something are going on. Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, you and your corrupt government. The more you build, or the more you tear down. So it come like as you build something, you tear it down. Because here you go now, after all of them mega project here, we have build a Jamaica and supposed to be flourishing the economy. Here you go with this stunt where you try pull now. Because we are idiot and we don't know laws and regulation, and most of the Jamaican people them do not know court system and understand certain things. Most of them talk off of ignorance. Most of them don't know. It's ignorance that. Because them say ignorance is a bliss. When you don't know something, that's ignorance. You know what I say? So most of them just sit down and speculate and go off away. Them hear somebody say and it sound good, so them go with a point there. Brother, I know so life go. And you can't chicken no more, brother. We know how you do. The Jamaica Labour Party is an American party. Work for the CIA. For them best interest is for ruin Jamaica. Ruin Jamaica. CIA sent Siago come and blood clot Jamaica. Siago used to work for IBM before them take him and plant him come to Jamaica. To make him become a Prime Minister of Jamaica. Even though his mother or his father are Jamaican and him born in Jamaica, him grew up in Massachusetts. He was sent back there by the CIA. He was the only one that could have win. Because them know say Jamaican would have never vote for a blood clot waiting him there. That's why them draw card and say PMP are socialists. All of them time, yeah. You know, so my grandmother will grow me, she's a Labourite. My father, mother, she's a Labourite. But my mother is a PMP, and my mother father is a PMP. They are PMP, you can't tell them man nothing about Labourite. But my grandmother was a Labourite. She carry herself very well, you wouldn't even know. Because she's very quiet. But she deadly though, you can't play with her. You know what I say? So, Mr. Prime Minister, I want to know, how much did you get for the plane to clear and land? And what was in the plane that you went to go pick up in India, Dubai, and Uzbekistan? Because I don't know Jamaica. If you invest in a weapon of mass destruction, and all of these countries is places with weapon of mass destruction. So what are you bringing into the country, the island of Jamaica? You want to tell me say Jamaica going to be the first island for test a missile? That's what you try to tell me, sir? Because that couldn't be the case. We're not on a land space down there, we're not nothing down there for test a missile. So that couldn't be the case. We know as something illegal, you're done. You let somebody illegal in the country or hide from somebody, one of the agency them, or look for somebody. If you're playing for land in your country with no manifesto, we not have no clearance for land and it not get shoot down. Something is wrong. Please like, share and subscribe at Global Watch Media. Alright? Alright man, have a blessed day. Yeah man.